You can have free food for life if you just request on my channel, be at least a little bit nice. And you can also have these privileges, send the light food to people if you join my group Source Love and Light. It's extremely important what's happening. It's life-changing, it's world-changing. This is why I'm showing myself. It's extremely important. So how I did it, I combined the Neo Q device. I have a Q6 that I combined with the Super Blue Holograms or Supreme Blue CPR. You can do the same thing as I've done. Most people are too fucking lazy to get a Q device and combine it with the Supreme Blue Holograms. You combine these two, it starts to produce chi, and you can eat the chi like you're eating a meal, and you feel better for it, and you detox faster. You should see how fast I think, how amazed the vision are, how source I am, how powerful I feel, how empowered I feel, because you become completely independent from the food industry. We're making history, guys. I barely need physical food no more. I can eat physical food if I want, but I don't need it. I wake up and I stay just on light food. And I've been starting doing some stretching, some of this yoga, because it helps removing curses. Look at this tree. I feel so happy, guys, so full of energy, so empowered, because I don't need physical food no more. I can go without it, and I can go with it. Like you can stack them up. This is why I've been taking like very lighter foods. I removed all the meat from my diet. It's very weighting you down a lot, so I've stopped with the meat. Yeah, I just wanted to take some pictures because this is a historical moment. Yeah, I'm in Marrakesh. Imagine you don't need to eat food no more. I have a bunch of food in my kitchen that I don't even use no more. So light food is extremely important. Get on my Telegram Mukas to learn all the updates on the light food. Keep your body conductive. It's very important. You realize that your body is electrical. You can eat light food and run on water and salt. Remember, so request the light food, get off the naysayers, get off the people that are cursed, and you're gonna start feeling energized for life. You won't need physical food anymore. You can still eat physical food if you like it. I strongly recommend avoiding the meat and eating much lighter type of food, like salads, soups, etc. This is my quick update on the light food. It's extremely important, and this has to get out. Go on my Telegram channel Mukas to learn all the fucking details and the crap I have to go through. I had to go through to get this intel out. I love you, family from Marrakesh. 2023 something. Look at how epic this shit is, guys. So I make my own content. I make my own food with chi. I'm making food with this, guys. I'm eating chi, now I'm sending it to people. I used to have a kitchen that I use, like I still use it. I have food that I don't use no more, it's crazy. I make my own water, thanks to the distiller here. I just made my own coffee. Life is good, guys. So yeah, a lot of things that are changing. You realize? I do not consent with cuts in the night food. I haven't eaten anything today. I feel amazing. I can go with food or without food. I can go with food or without food. I'm on light food. You can produce food out of the ether. It's gonna sound crazy, but if you know that the ether is real, they don't even talk about this fifth element. You know the movie Fifth Element? There's the fire, water, etc. There's also the ether that's all around us that you breathe. We call also prana. You can concentrate the ether and make chi out of it. The body can assimilate the chi and you become healthy. You almost don't need to sleep anymore. You almost don't need to eat anymore. And you can just request this food and have it for free for life. If you go on my channel and just